Water. Water, as we all know, is one of the basic necessities of all life forms. We all know that it is the greatest gift of God to us. Water is naturally replenished by precipitation and naturally lost through discharge to the oceans, evaporation, and subsurface seepage. Although the only natural input to any surface water system is precipitation within its watershed, the total quantity of water in that system at any given time is also dependent on many other factors. These factors include storage capacity in lakes, wetlands, and artificial reservoirs, the permeability of the soil beneath these storage bodies, the runoff characteristics of the land in the watershed, the timing of the precipitation, and local evaporation rates. All of these factors also affect the proportions of water lost through discharge to the oceans, evaporation, and subsurface seepage.